What's going on, guys? It's your friend Jack here, and today we're going to be looking at Redbubble stickers and what you can do with your Redbubble stickers to snowball and avalanche those sales. But before we get right into the video, I'm just going to ask you guys, if you like this video whatsoever and you want to see more making money online content, whether that be print on demand, Amazon KDP, then consider smashing the like button to get some more recommended into your YouTube home, or subscribe if you want to be notified when I post. And I will be posting every single day, so make sure if you do want to see daily videos, subscribe to this channel because that will be happening for the remainder of this year. So before we go into the actual tips for making stickers, we're going to be scrolling through this page where I just explain that what do I think stickers are and why do I think they can explode or snowball your sales. Basically, I think stickers can snowball your sales because once you get one sticker sale, that often leads to more sales on all of your products, stickers or not. You're going to get more sales once you get initial sales. And stickers are so popular in Redbubble. They're the most sold item on Redbubble by far, and they're really cheap, so people aren't afraid to buy 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 stickers because they might as well. And they also get a discount most of the times at the top of the site. There's often a 20% off, but right here, look, buy any 4 and get 25% off, buy any 10 and get 50% off. Redbubble is always running promotions on stickers, so putting your designs on stickers and using these sticker tips is going to help you get more sales on your shop in general. And the more sales you get on stickers, the more sales you get on other items as well on those listings that have stickers and shirts and all the other products. So first things first, something I want to mention is that I'm going to show you guys 3 ways you can do your stickers. The first way, it's going to be a way that's not shown on here because it kind of sucks. It's just enabling the sticker and making it not look good. The second way is turning bad looking stickers that don't really look good because they're on a white text design and making them actually pop and look good. The third way is sticker packs. So if you want to see those 3 ways, I'm going to show you guys some live examples after we scroll past all these best selling stickers. The reason I want to scroll past these stickers is to show you guys what really good stickers look like. I'm not saying that you guys have to make stickers that look this good. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just showing you guys some of the stickers that sell really well, so you can get an idea of how your stickers should look and what people are actually going for. So as you can see here, we have simple text designs. They're black text and that's all they are. This is a very popular design on shirts too, but it sells enough on shirts and stickers to be shown on the sticker section of Redbubble on the very first page. And now if we scroll down, we also see a lot of circle designs because the circle sticker is just like kind of a normal shape. So if you can put your stickers into circle format, that's a really good idea, especially landscapes. They look great and it's a lot better than a square. People will buy it more because it fits on more places. And if we scroll down, we also have sticker packs, things like this that are just flower petals put into a sticker pack. People buy that because they can put these all over the place. They can arrange them how they want. It's kind of like a form of customizability, where on Etsy you can put your name and stuff, but on Redbubble, if you get sticker packs, you can choose what you do with the stickers, how you orient them. Maybe you'll give one to one person, one to another. So that's a really good idea. Sticker packs make that possible so you can actually get more customization, and more customization always leads to more sales, especially on print-on-demand platforms. Now I'm just going to scroll through a few more. There's also things like this, just simple images, and a lot of people, they will just upload these 3 cat heads and they will put them on, every product. But what you can also do is have a separate image for your sticker packs, which I'm going to show you in a sec, to make your sticker look good without ruining your other products like your t-shirt and your whatever else you're enabling. So let's go look at our shop and let's go, fix up the stickers and do it in real time. So in the spirit of Mother's Day, today's test design is going to be Mama, because Mother's Day is around the corner, and if you aren't designing for it, it's a really good option to make some niche down versions of Mother Day. Not just generic Mother's Day designs because those are pretty popular and flooded, but kind of like niche down into maybe this year, any trends you can cross niche with, or niches that are more specific to a smaller audience that have less competition. So if you're interested in that, there's a little niche idea for you to hop on some quick sales, because Mother's Day is a very, very popular time for people to buy gifts off places like Redbubble and other sites. However, that's not really the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you guys stickers. So right here, I have a white text design and I have it enabled on all my products, sure. But when you go to stickers, it looks really, really bad. And something you can do is you can see that it doesn't look good at all. It looks terrible, right? But what you can do is replace this image. Rather than replacing all the images with something that would look good on the sticker, you can replace this image specifically and only this image, and then it's going to allow you to basically make a good looking sticker without changing the rest of your designs. And we're going to do that right now. There's two different ways you can replace it. You can replace it with just a normal, better version of the design that looks good in a sticker, or a sticker pack. And I'm going to show you both of those and what they look like. So let's go change it to the normal looking sticker. So I went and uploaded our sticker, and here's what I did. All I did was I added a stroke of black outline to the white text, and you're gonna see here it looks 10 times better. When we go click edit, you can see it just looks like a nice sticker. It's gonna be able to actually be readable rather than just all white, and in the thumbnail it's gonna look pretty good too. So that's the normal one, and I will show you guys how to do this over in Photoshop, or you can use a free tool called Photopea in just a sec, so don't leave right away. I'm going to show you guys that too, and you can do it absolutely free with an online version of Photoshop. But after this, I'm going to put on the sticker pack now and show you guys how the sticker pack looks and why I think sticker packs are probably the best option if you're going to change your stickers. Alright, so the sticker pack is uploading. And the sticker packs, I think, are the best option if you're going to change your stickers, because it allows people to get basically, 4 times the value out of one purchase, because it costs them the same amount. But if they see 4 stickers instead of 1, that's 4 different people they can give these gifts to, or they can give their mom 4 different stickers to put in 4 different places. Obviously, they're smaller stickers, but they appeal to people in the search results. They're saying, oh, 4 stickers? Same price as this 1 sticker. It's a really good option, and you can also put I could put mama, mom, mommy. I could change it up in just the sticker section, and that's another way that you can definitely increase your sales just by fixing up your stickers and making them look nice. It does take a lot of effort, so if you're gonna do this, I would definitely not be doing 20 designs a day and then going back and changing all your stickers, because that takes forever. But if you can just do if you're just doing 1, 2, 5 designs a day, or you don't want to design for a day, go back and fix your stickers, because that's going to be able to get more sales. And especially if you have listings that are selling with white text and bad stickers, go fix the stickers on those listings first, or things that are getting favorites, attention, go fix those stickers first, and you're going to be able to drive more sales on those listings, which will just kind of snowball in the end. So here we are over on Photoshop, and you're going to see that I have my sticker pack here, but it wasn't always like this. I'm going to go back to my previous layers, and you're going to see that before I had this, I actually didn't have really anything. I just had it like this with no stroke. This was our original design, and I'm going to make it bigger. You don't need to know everything and how I'm doing it right now. It's pretty easy to use Photoshop once you get the hang of it. So what I do, basically, the concept of this is that this would be my original design, and in Photoshop, or the online version of Photoshop, which is called Photopea, it's absolutely free. What you can do is you can go over to blending options, you right click on your layer on the right, and you can go to click stroke. Just check that box, and it's not going to default be on black. Set it to black and set the size of the stroke until it looks good. You can put it even more bold like this, which actually looks really good on stickers. So if you want to make it like this, that looks pretty good too. And now, after you have your little stickers version of the design, you can save it again, and that can be your sticker. Or what you can do is you can make this smaller. You can go to the top, edit, and then go to transform, or free transform here. You can kind of drag it to be smaller, and you can make it so you can fit 2, 3, or 4 of them in here. You don't have to do it like this. Something you could also do is you can go like this, and Redbubble will let you go all the way. So you can go like this. You can make it a 3-pack, say, or a 4-pack, however you really want to do it. My canvas size here, if you're wondering, is 5,000 by 7,100. That is the size I recommend for Redbubble designs. That fits everything pretty well, especially greeting cards. It's going to fill the whole background. It's going to look much better than your typical 4,500 by 5,400, which is what a lot of people use. It's not really as good for Redbubble. So if you're using just Redbubble, I would advise you to go 5,000 by 7,100, just to make most of your products look really good, rather than the other dimensions are a bit weird. Or if you want to change each dimension for each product, you can go ahead and do that, but that's going to take a lot of effort. So this is basically what I do. That's all I do is I set the stroke, then I copy the layer. You can go over here, right click, and duplicate layer, and then you just click OK, and you'll have a duplicate version of it. And then I just do that twice, 3 times, and size them how I would like. And then what you can do if you're on Photopea is just go to the top, save as, and then save it as a PNG, which you probably already know, and you have your design there. And that's all you need to do. It's as simple as that. And that's how you do your sticker packs. That's how you make your stickers look good from a white text-based design. If you have no stroke, then all you have to do is put on a stroke, which is right click, blending options, stroke, and you can have a stroke on your design. Then you just copy it and you can make it in your sticker pack. And it's as simple as that. A black stroke is going to be best, but you can use like blue or something. Just make sure it's not white or too close to white, because white is the color of the sticker background, especially in Redbubble. It's not going to look good in thumbnails if it's white. With that last clip, that is going to be the end to our video. And if you made it to this point of the video, comment down below Redbubble sticker, and I will know that you made it to this point of the video. And if you enjoyed any part of this video, please consider smashing the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell if you want more of this type of content on helping you increase your sales on Redbubble and all online money making matters. Definitely stick and stay tuned to this channel, because we're going to be posting content every single day, like I mentioned earlier. But with all that being said, it's been your friend Jack. I hope you guys have a great rest of your freaking day. Keep striving, stay blessed, peace out.